So this is how you create folders automatically inside Lawmatics. The first thing you're going to do is go to settings, and then you're going to go to practice area, folder groups, and this is how you create them. So you're going to say add new folder group. And let's say this is estate planning. You can say practice area. I just want this estate planning. Or you can say all practice areas if you want something to go across everything that has a practice area listed. There has to be a practice area. So if you want to add them all, that when you create a matter and you add a practice area, that it's going to add these folders. So I can go like this, and now I have everything in there. Then I can start creating my folders. So I can call this billing, correspondence. I always like to create one called form submissions because you're going to get a lot with people booking online and whatnot. So you get those PDF form submissions into Lawmatics. So I create one here so I can drop all those into there if they don't fit anywhere else. And then you just add all your folders and then you hit save. So that would be everything. But now let's say if they are estate planning, you want some additional fields. So I'm going to call this maybe estate planning only. And then I'm going to go to estate planning, and here I can write original docs, draft docs, final signed docs. And you can just keep going and going. So that way, if they are tagged estate planning, here it's going to create all of those. But this one, because it's only estate planning, will also add these additional folders. So you can do that for different practice areas to ensure that you get the folders that you want. That's how you create automatic folders in Lawmatics.